Welcome to our channel. Turning a Raspberry Pi into a media center is an affordable way to create a powerful entertainment system that can play videos, music, and stream content from various sources. Step 1. Purchase a Raspberry Pi 4 with at least 4 gigabytes of RAM for smooth media playback, along with a power supply and micro SD card. Step 2. Download LibreELEC or OSMC, which are operating systems specifically designed for media center use, and flash it to your microSD card using the Raspberry Pi Imager. Step 3. Insert the microSD card into your Raspberry Pi and connect it to your TV using an HDMI cable. Step 4. Power on your Raspberry Pi and complete the initial setup wizard, configuring your network connection and language preferences. Step 5. Configure your audio output settings to ensure sound plays through your TV or audio system correctly. Step 6. Add media sources by connecting to your network shares, external hard drives, or USB drives containing your video and music libraries. Step 7. Install add-ons for streaming services you use, enabling access to platforms like YouTube, Netflix, or other content providers. Step 8. Customize the interface by selecting a skin or theme that matches your preferences and makes navigation easier. Step 9. Set up a remote control using the Core app on your smartphone, or configure a USB remote for convenient operation from your couch. Step 10. Organize your media library by scanning your content and allowing the system to download metadata, artwork, and descriptions. Your Raspberry Pi Media Center is now ready to entertain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.